120 is not support for Mullen Automotive, symbol MULN. In this video, we're going to break down all the technical analysis for this stock, just like I do every single week. That's right, once a week I do a detailed technical analysis video showing price targets and also support levels for the stock MULN. We've got a lot to look at today, so let's get started. First off is the title of today's video, Why 120 is not support. I'm seeing all kinds of videos showing this line right here and showing this is support, the stock at 120. This is a daily chart. One of the ways I like to look at a chart is to look left. So when you look left, you're going to have to look left and see if there's any support levels. Going back here to February, you'll notice in this zone right here, looking left into this zero, you'll notice coming across here, there are absolutely no daily highs, daily closes that make that 120 support. Now, just because the stock has stopped there, that is a good thing that the stock has stopped there, but that does not make it support. And really, there's only one number on this chart that I am going to be watching. As long as this next low comes in above 52 cents, this uptrend, intermediate uptrend, will remain intact. So when we look left, one of the things I always look for, we do have this gap here, is I am looking for break-up candles, and we've got two of them here. Looking at these matching lows, if I had to draw support, I would say our first level of support is right there in that 80-cent level. Your next one is going to come in right here about 70 cents, and the line in the sand is that 52-cent mark. Those are what I'm looking to hold on the downside. Now, the fact that we have held into this consolidation period is very good. YouTube is really great at showing you a bunch of crap you don't care about on your home screen. Don't let that happen. It's absolutely free, so reach up there and hit that subscribe button so you see more videos that you actually care about. Next thing I want to do is draw a Fibonacci retracement. We're going to go from this low at 52 cents, and we're going to come all the way up here. This is also not very positive that we're hanging out below the 75% retracement of this move. I really want to see this stock get back above that 50% retracement. The 61.8 first, but then the 50% retracement. So let's put a price level on there. Moving along to the next chart. If you're new, do not get overwhelmed. I'm going to break down all of these things on this chart for you. Here's the price action one-day chart that we just talked about. This next box right here is a trend indicator. You will see that the negative trend still has not lost momentum. And so although the stock has gone down, we have not yet started to reverse that trend. This next box is the market forecast, and you'll notice right in this area we're still below 50% on the near-term intermediate momentum lines. This is indicating that our momentum to the downside has stalled, but we have not yet made that turn. We are starting to get that divergence back, getting a little bit more of a gap, but we haven't yet crossed back over that indicator line. And RSI still remains at 30. Not oversold, but we're not yet trending back to the upside either. A quick look at the slim ribbon momentum indicator, and you'll see that we still remain red, have not yet returned the neutral, and still remain well below this very wide fan on the moving averages. We need to get up in and through that to show that momentum has changed. Zooming in, the 4-hour chart still remains negative, and the 1-hour chart still remains negative as well. No indication that the trend has yet reversed, although the momentum to the downside has started to stall. Just a quick look at the volume indicator. You'll see that we're right inside that point of control, haven't broken out to either side. Here's a quick look at the weekly chart. This downtrend is completely evident. This is a very nice bounce off the bottom. The question remains, and this is my question for the day, is I want to see this stock make a higher low. In full disclosure, I do own a good amount of Mullen stock. I also trade options regularly against it. If you're interested in finding out what trades I'm making in this stock and in real time, the Discord link is in the description below. So I'm hoping for an ABC pattern to set up, and that would look something like this. An A leg up, a B leg down, making a higher low, and then a C to reverse this downtrend and put us back in that upward direction. Just a quick look at some of the upside targets on the way up. First one's going to be this set of lows right here, which is just under $6. You've got lows here and lows here. Here's a second level, $7. We get above that, the next line is going to be way up here at $13, and then we're back to the $20 range. Those are my downside and upside targets on the stock MULN. 120 and 125 is not support, even though that's where the stock has stopped for right now. We do have earnings coming out, so we got to keep our eyes open. We also need to keep our eyes open for rumors. And if you're a follower of Mullen stock, you're going to want to watch this video right here while I break down whether the FedEx rumor has any merit to it at all.